How to create contact list on Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create contact list on Excel easy. So first thing, go to Excel and go to the top right here and search for list. Now after you search for list, you will find many templates right here. Scroll down until you find the list that you want. For example, this is the contact list. Now click on it and click create. Now right here you can add names, the address, city, state, the code, country, and everything. Everything can be edited successfully and easily. After you finish, go to the top corner and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.